Practice full speed. Keep it airtight. Quick feet. Downhill. Press downhill. Here you go. Choke cut. Choke cut. Good job, Carlton. Eyes up. Feeling balance. Feeling balance. Airtight. Airtight. Man. And make sure we're buckling up this drill.
Run at him, break down, bang, go through. Run at him, be an athlete, bang. Get there, break down, boom, go through him. Don't grab him, go through him. Boom, good. Stay up though. Is that Bill? Boom, keep your balance, go. Boom, I like that, Taylor.
There you go. Gotta grab cloth. Hey, if you can't tackle, you can't play. Nice job, Pellner. Nice job, Pellner. Eyes on the belt. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up, Braxton. Stay up. Oh, come on, lock in on the hip. Melton, good job. Come on, move. Come on, stop.
Don't deviate. Don't deviate. Don't deviate. Not deviate.